Hi, welcome again. In this video, we are going to add a custom region to our theme. As always, be sure to have your site running and ready to go and open in your browser. Also, have your code editor loaded with the Simple Smart theme. Remember, you can pause and rewind the video as needed. Let's start in our code editor. There are 3 steps to creating a custom region. First, declare the name of the new region in the info.yml file. Next, define that region using the machine name from the info.yml as the selector in your CSS. And finally, render the new region on the page by adding it to the page.html.twig template file. Other notes on custom regions. Region keys need to begin with a letter. They are alphanumeric, and you can use the underscore character, but no other special characters. The region key you select is considered the machine name for that region. You'll need to use that key when referencing your region in your code. The value of the key is the human readable name. At this time, go ahead and open up the file simplesmart.info.yml in your code editor. Take a moment to refresh your memory of this file. And notice here in regions, we had previously added a custom region called Simple Smart Menu. The human readable name in this case is navigation. Recall in an earlier video, in order to view our main navigation menu block, we had to change it from its default region of navigation and into the content region. The reason we had to do that is because technically our page template is not rendering this Simple Smart Menu region, which is why the main navigation block would not show up. So before we continue on, make sure that here in your info.yml file, there is a region with the machine name of Simple Smart Menu, like is shown. Now, when you're ready, let's copy over the page.html.twig template from the Classy core theme. Since our Simple Smart theme is based upon Classy, we need to copy the page template from the Classy theme. So follow along and copy the page template how you can, either with the file browser, command line, or within your code editor. I'm going to be using the file browser. The default page.twig.html template for Classy can be found at core themes, Classy, templates, layout, and here it is, page.html.twig. When you have located the correct file, copy it into our Simple Smart templates directory. Nice work. Be sure to be editing our newly copied file, not the original file. Now here in the file, beneath the header, likely around line 51, remove these hard-coded primary and secondary menus. In their place, add this following twig code. Make a note that later on, when you create CSS, you can use the div ID of Simple Smart Menu and div class of content. Well done. When you're ready, be sure to save the file. Now, let's open up our site to make our code changes take effect. Before we flush the cache, let's anticipate what will happen. Currently, our main navigation menu is being displayed in the content region, and the user account menu is being displayed in the Simple Smart Menu navigation region. To verify this, in a new tab, I will open Structure, Block Layout. As we can see, the current account menu is set to be displayed in the navigation region while the main navigation is currently configured to display in the content region. Going back to the other tab here, let's now flush the cache. Super. Now, let's go back to the block layout page to make some final changes. Since I already have it open in this tab, I'll switch here. First, I'll refresh this block layout page for good measure. Then, let's go ahead and click on the Demonstrate Block Regions link here. Notice how this demonstration now reflects our recently added navigation region from the page template. Next, click Exit Block Demonstration. Now, let's place the main navigation block back into the navigation region. Be sure to click Save Block. Then, click on Back to Site. We can now see the main navigation block being displayed in our new navigation region, along with the user account menu. Nice effort in adding a custom region to your theme. You are really beginning to understand how to work with Drupal theming. This is all for now. Take a rest if you need to. I'll see you in upcoming videos. Happy learning.